This lesson is about nested for loop. Nested loop means loop inside another loop. It is very useful to work in 2D space. For example, this is a 2D space. The location on this space is called coordinate, which has two values, x and y. At this point, the coordinate is 0, 0. At this point, x equals 3, y equals 1. That means the coordinate is 3, 1. This point is 1, 2. To generate these 2D coordinates, we have to use nested loop. So at the beginning, define a for loop. The variable is x and range is 4. Now inside of this loop, initiate another for loop. The variable is y and the range is 4. Then the print function, we're using formatted string here. Inside of the quotation, we're using these plain brackets which represents the coordinate. Then we're going to use curly brackets for x and y. Run this program. So these are our coordinates. So how it is working? Observe this for loop. It iterates for 4 times from 0 to 3. At the first iteration, x is 0. Now at the first iteration, it enters into another iteration. It also loops for 4 times from 0 to 3. Now this loop iterates for 4 times, and in every iteration it prints the value of x and y. Observe that first 4 values have 0 here. That means x didn't change, y changed here. It increased by 1 in every iteration. Now after 4 iterations, this loop terminates and it goes back to this for loop. This time, it is the second iteration for this loop. So x is 1 now. Then again, it enters into this for loop. Look here, this 1 didn't change for 4 iterations. But this value, which is the value of y, again changed from 0 to 3. So this is how the nested for loop works. That's all for this lesson. Let's see what we have in the next lesson.